Hello everyone, welcome to my English learning channel. I am so happy to see you all here. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe because I share the best techniques, tips and methods to learn English fast. Today, I'm going to share my personal journey, how I learned English in just 5 months using the shadowing technique. Yes, only 5 months. And in this video, I will give you all the tips, advice, and phrases that helped me. So watch this video till the end, because this is going to change your English learning journey forever. What is the shadowing technique? Many people ask me, what is the shadowing technique? It is a simple but powerful method to improve English fluency. You listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately after them. Imagine you are their shadow. Whatever they say, you say it too. This technique helps with pronunciation, listening, and speaking fluency. Why is shadowing so effective? When I started learning English, I struggled a lot. I could understand some words, but I could not speak fluently. I faced many challenges, and at times I felt like giving up. But I pushed through. Some days were harder than others, and there were moments when I doubted myself. However, I stayed consistent and trusted the process. Then I discovered the shadowing technique, and everything changed. Here's why shadowing is so effective. It improves pronunciation. You copy the sounds exactly like native speakers. It trains your brain. Your brain starts thinking in English naturally. It builds confidence. You will not hesitate when speaking English. It improves listening skills. You learn how native speakers speak in real life. It helps with sentence structure. You learn grammar naturally by listening to correct sentences. How I used shadowing every day. Now, let me tell you how I use shadowing every day for 5 months. Step 1. Choose the right material. I used podcasts, YouTube videos, and audiobooks with subtitles. I listened to native speakers and repeated after them. Step 2. Listen first. First, I listened carefully without speaking. This helped me understand the pronunciation and rhythm. Step 3. Repeat after the speaker. I tried to match their speed, tone, and pronunciation. Even if I didn't understand the meaning of a word, I still repeated it to improve my pronunciation. Step 4. Record myself. I recorded my voice and compared it to the native speaker. This helped me notice my mistakes and improve. Step 5. Practice every day. I did this for at least 1 hour every day. No excuses. Consistency is the key. Step 6. Focus on natural expressions. I paid attention to how native speakers used common phrases and expressions in conversations. Step 7. Use subtitles wisely. First, I listened without subtitles. Then, I listened with subtitles to check my understanding. Finally, I listened again without subtitles to challenge myself. Step 8. Speak in different situations. I practice speaking English in front of a mirror, while walking, and even while cooking. Speaking in different situations helped me become more comfortable with the language. Phrases that helped me improve my English. Now, let's talk about some useful phrases that helped me improve my English. Could you please repeat that? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. What do you mean by that? That makes sense. I totally agree with you. Could you explain that again? Let me think for a moment. In other words, that's a great question. Can you say that in a different way? I see what you mean. I'm trying to improve my English. Could you help me? If you use these phrases daily, your English will improve fast. Best advice for learning English fast here are my best tips for learning English faster. 1. Speak out loud. Don't just read. Speak every word loudly. 2. Think in English. Try not to translate from your native language. The more you think in English, the faster you will improve. 3. Practice daily. Consistency is the key. Even 10 to 15 minutes of practice every day is better than studying for hours once a week. 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a step towards improvement. 5. Use English in real life. Talk to friends, join online groups, or even talk to yourself. 6. Watch English content with subtitles. Start with English subtitles, then move to no subtitles. 7. Find a speaking partner. Having a partner to practice with will make learning more fun and effective. 8. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. Don't give up too soon. The title: After Us, Why It's Important. Now, let me explain the meaning of after us. When you use the shadowing technique, you are always speaking after the native speaker. You follow them like a shadow. That is why I call this technique after us. You repeat after them, you sound like them, and one day you will speak fluently just like them. Bonus tip: to improve even faster, try using the delayed shadowing method. Instead of repeating immediately, listen to a full sentence and then repeat it. This helps with memory and fluency. So, this is how I learned English in just 5 months using the shadowing technique. It was not always easy, but my hard work paid off. I hope this video helps you on your English learning journey. Remember, the key is daily practice, confidence, and patience. Keep shadowing, keep learning, and soon you will be speaking English fluently. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing English learning tips. See you in the next video. Happy learning!